what we would like to see you get out of it is getting to know each other a little bit better and also eating some really amazing food that you are cooking. We have to do a little bit of an icebreaker so that you understand how things run, because once it starts, it doesn't stop till it finishes. And you have to be very careful about how that finishes, because what you put in your mouth is something you've made.
I was here just to say my name and to say hello, but I got stuck talking because this is what I do. This is what I love. How does it feel when someone cooks you a meal? Tell me, how does it feel? Amazing, doesn't it? Do you feel acknowledged? Just say yes. Do you feel acknowledged when someone cooks for you? Yeah? Yes. Yes!
What's going to happen tonight is we're doing a 2-hour tapas event. You're going to make 4 tapas with your chefs, and then you're going to eat them. And then you're going to have about a bit of break while you're eating, and then you're going to move to the table next to you and make 4 more tapas with the next chef. You have 45 minutes. We're going to start our first round. Here we go, guys. Take over, chefs.
Working in a kitchen that you're not familiar with, doing skill sets that you don't know. You know how you can do that? By being observant. All the skills that we have taken, as Victor said, up 10 years that we have taken, we share this with you not to end within these 2 hours. That is not the reason. We give this so tomorrow, the weekend, the next time you get together, share this. Share this.